Let's go to the beach, Good morning, guys! So, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang naging quick getaway namin ng aking pamilya kahapon. Kasi part of our resolution for this 2026 is gumala ng less gastos. Yung beach na ito is located in Naik, Cavite. And it took us 44 minutes traveling time from Dansa. Ang name ng resort na ito is Vista Freedom Park. Kapag meron kayong dalang mga sasakyan or motor, magbabayad kayo ng 20 pesos lang naman. And ito yung mga prices ng cottages nila, guys. So post nyo na lang if you're interested to go here as well. For the entrance fee, 100 pesos for adults and 50 pesos for children 4 years old above. For 3 years old below, they are free. So ito yung beach nila, guys. Very malawak siya and malinis din naman siya compare with those other public and beaches dito sa Cavite. Ito malinis and very minimal yung basura na makikita mo talaga. Tapos ito yung nagustuhan ko dito sa beach na to, guys. Meron silang pa-swing. Actually, itong swing nila dito is 4 yan. So yan, na-enjoy ko yan. Na-enjoy namin yan mag-swing-swing while listening sa hampas ng dagat. At ito na nga yung dagat nila, guys. So, okay naman siya. Malinis naman siya. But then again, you will see a minimal of trash. Pero sobrang konti lang. Nung pumunta kami dito, wala gaanong naliligo. I'm not sure why. Probably because February pa lang and wala pa sa mood ang mga tao maligo sa dagat because of the weather. And isa din yun sa reason bakit na-enjoy namin yung resort na to. Kasi konti lang yung tao, parang kami lang. And 1 or 2 other families na naliligo. So guys, for me, perfect tong beach na to if you're just looking for quick getaway or quick escape. Yung tipong gusto mo lang makalanghap ng dagat and makalimot kahit saglit but in a budget. Meron din pala sila dito, guys, na kiddie pool that is still ongoing. So right now, meron silang 3 feet and 5 feet deep pools. It's still ongoing, guys, because ginagawa pa nila yung adult pool sa kabila. So, ang binayaran lang namin, guys, is 20 pesos for the